Here are my acorn nuts after I boiled them several times, 3 or 4 times, and deshelled them. These are the nuts in my toaster oven. They look just like peanuts and they're very nutritious. They're dry. Chestnuts roasting in open fire. I can throw these in a bowl on my coffee table. It's still a little hot. I put it on my toaster oven, turn on for 4 minutes at a time, just because I don't want to start my bottom of my toaster oven on fire. Because if you have a lot of garbage in the bottom of your toaster oven, you don't want to have them on too long. So I turn on for 3 minutes at a time, let it cool. You also have to let the air out. So you get every time 3 minutes, blow air through it, open the door after 3 minutes, blow air through it, or have a spoon to let air flow out because they're going to be damp because they just came out of the boiling water, right? Even when you let the water seep out, the steam, you have to let the steam go every time. And you put these on. I put it on toaster on the highest setting. Just don't start a fire. I don't know where your toaster oven is, or mine's kind of dirty on the bottom, so there's like old stuff and toast and shit over there. So anyway, now it's like a nut. You could put them in your bowl. Oh yeah, crunchy, crunchy. So those are what I do now. I'll be having this on my coffee table along with my peanuts, but they're acorns. If you live off the grid, if you live out in the woods, or if you just want to try it, make sure you toast them enough. I'll probably have to put them in one more time because you gotta get all the dampness out for them to stay good. You know how peanuts can be on your coffee table in a nice bowl like this for like months or weeks, and they're good. Well, same thing. I'll probably have to roast them a couple more times to get them totally dry. It's the only way they can stay good for that long. Just like when you buy peanuts from the grocery store. But here, anyway, so there's the last part of this tutorial. These were peanuts. I mean, not peanuts, they look like peanuts. And they have protein and vitamins and everything. They're acorns. I processed them in my kitchen. Even if you're out camping, you can soak them in water, boil them in water, and then cook them on a metal tray. This is my metal tray. You put that over a campfire. Get them dried out. Once you do the boiling out the tannin part. So, you can also ground them into flour and make like bread. Look on the internet. Some are more crunchy than others. Anyway, have fun.